If your Amazon PPC isn't working, if your ACoS is too high, if you are spending money every day and barely making sales, this video is just for you. Because after years of selling on Amazon, I've noticed something surprising. Most sellers think they have a PPC problem, but in reality they don't. They have a product problem. A listing problem or a conversion problem, and until those issues are fixed, no PPC strategy will save them. Let's talk about why. Hey, I'm Katya. On this channel we are talking about everything that is connected with Amazon FBA. I'm a founder of Danix brand. It's a kitchenware brand, and of Danix, that's a PPC autopilot, ACoS based, so just performance, no brand awareness, nothing, no bullshit, just PPC that is supporting your target ACoS. Let's start from the biggest reason, number one. Your listing doesn't convert. Your PPC may actually be working. Amazon is showing your product. People are clicking, but they aren't buying. Imagine there is 100 clicks and one order. That's not a PPC issue, that's a conversion issue. And conversion is influenced by main images, price, reviews, listing quality, brand trust, and A+ content. Many sellers immediately lower bids. But lowering bids won't fix a listing that nobody wants to buy. Ask yourself, would you buy your product if you saw it for the first time today? Reason number two, your product isn't competitive. This one is hard to hear. Sometimes the market is simply telling you the truth. Your competitors may have more reviews, better images, better price, better offer, and PPC cannot change that. Advertising creates visibility. It doesn't create demand. If customers consistently choose competitors after seeing your product, Amazon PPC isn't failing. The market is giving you feedback. Reason number three, you are looking only at ACoS. One of the biggest mistakes I see, people obsess over ACoS, which is really good. ACoS is very useful, but ACoS alone doesn't tell the whole story. Imagine ACoS is 40%. Everyone panics. But if TACoS is 8%, organic sales are growing, ranking is improving, total profit is increasing. In that situation, PPC is actually doing its job. Many sellers kill winning campaigns because they focused on their own metric. Reason number four, not enough data. This happens constantly. Campaign launched Monday. Wednesday, no sales. Thursday, let's change everything. Friday, let's lower bids. Saturday, let's pause keywords. That's not optimization. That's more panic. Amazon PPC needs data. Depending on your category, you may need 20 clicks, 50 clicks, 100 clicks before making meaningful decisions. If you change settling every day, you'll never know what actually works. Reason number five, you are targeting the wrong keywords. Many sellers focus only on high volume keywords. Everyone wants to rank for water bottle, protein shaker, dog bed. But those are often the most expensive keywords on Amazon. Sometimes the best sales come from longer, more specific searches. Instead of chasing the biggest keyword, ask, what does my customer actually type when they are ready to buy? Reason number 6. Your inventory is hurting PPC. Most people never think about this, but inventory and PPC are closely connected. If you are frequently running out of stock, losing ranking, relaunching products, your PPC performance suffers. Amazon rewards consistency. Every stock out can undo months of progress. Just keep it in mind. Reason number 7. You are expecting PPC to be profitable too early. This is probably the most common expectation. New product, few reviews, no ranking, no brand recognition, and sellers expect profitable PPC immediately. That's rarely how Amazon works. In many categories, PPC is initially an investment. You buy visibility, you buy ranking, you buy data. The goal isn't always immediate profit. The goal is long-term growth. So, let's sum up. If your Amazon PPC isn't work, before changing bids, before pausing campaigns, before blaming Amazon, ask yourself, does my listing convert? Is my offer competitive? Am I measuring the right metrics? Do I have enough data? Am I targeting the right keywords? Do I have inventory issues? Am I expecting results too quickly? Because most of the time, the problem isn't PPC. PPC is simply exposing a deeper problem in the business. And once you fix that problem, your advertising often improves automatically. And if you found this helpful, subscribe to Amazon FBA Girl channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!